Hello my little kits and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a unboxing video again. I know I haven't done them in a while, that's because I'm saving money. Well, not anymore anyways. I know I do not get paid by YouTube. My mum gives me pocket money every week. But yeah. So yeah, we'll be doing an unboxing video, and of course I already know what it is, because I bought it. But yeah, let's make him as a surprise pretty much to all of you, because I've never got this animal before. This like species, pretty much. Oh my god. Bubble wrap is just stuck. Oh well. Yep. Yee. This is actually much more bigger than I thought. I am deciding to get horses. I will be starting to get more horses because recently I've just been in love with horses. Oh my gosh, I am starting to get really in love with them. I'm thinking of starting to do horse riding pretty soon, but obviously it's expensive. But we're thinking of doing it every Saturday. But it's hard to get it's hard to get riding lessons now because of everyone wanting to do them, so it was kind of hard. But I'll be getting a star up. Oh my god, why won't this come off? Pretty much I'll see if I want to learn of them first, and then if I do like it, then I'll be starting to do horse riding. So yeah. Oh my god. Ew. Oh, there we go. Yay! I have no name for her just yet. This is a mare, and I have no name for her just yet. But yeah. This is actually much more bigger than I expected. But yeah, my first ever horse. So leave me some names in the comments, please, for her. And yeah, next I'll probably be getting her foal and her mate, her stallion, pretty much. I looked at the stallion version of her, and it's white. I'm pretty sure this is Obston. I can't really say that word, but yeah. I already love this horse, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, little Jacobs. Peace out. Bye.